How to start paging from a specific number on MS Word. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to start page numbering from a specific page on MS Word, here are some easy tutorial. So for that, first of all, open your MS Word and then tap in the cursor wherever you like. Now go to the layout tab and then click on the section breaks on the next page. Once you do so, next up you have to click on Insert tab. Once you tap on Insert, you will see the option of page number. Click on the drop-down menu and then select where you want the page number to be. It could be bottom or the top of the page. Once that is done, you will notice that the page will start from number 2. Now tap on page number and format paging. In Start Add, type in 1 and this way you have added page numbering from a specific page which starts from 1. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.